Good morning. I'm Kristen McCall. I'm the homeless liaison of Lake County Schools, and I have with me today
Landon McCullough, one of the school social workers.
And we are here for the annual Shoe Drive, which is one of the best days of the year for us. We get to attend a wonderful ceremony and get pumped up for Christmas, and then the kids fill our vehicles up with shoes. It is fantastic. So these shoes are going to go out to our most needy students in the school system all year long. As of yesterday, there was 1,847 students coded homeless in our school system. Shoes, as we all know, at this age, they grow out of them very quickly. And maybe there's not an older sibling that passes them down, or they just get worn out. So shoes are needed all the time. And socks. This year we got socks, bonus. So this makes it to where we can keep our kids in school. They have shoes to come to school, to walk to the bus, and it just makes a really big difference. What you do helps us so much and helps our students so much. We absolutely love it, and we appreciate all of you so much.